Hi James, how are you? I just want to share with you the idea I have. It's about face recognition. It sort of confused me, but I want your opinion about it. First, I'm now working on face recognition bit. So I look at what Aldo has suggested about OpenFace software, but I have seen another way. I think this way is more simple than Aldo software. So let me explain to you what I mean in this idea. In this idea, just using Microsoft Face API to recognize individuals. So I just include the connective API on Azure services to the Node-RED. After download this node, I drag the face node, which is connected immediately to the Microsoft API, face recognition. Take only the key that's given when you create an account. Then, for example, I just want to check if it is able to recognize individual or not. And from here, just I put image here, the URI for image. And let me check the key I have been created when is the key they given me when I create a Microsoft account. Let me paste it here. Deploy. Yes. Let me try. Just I put a normal image from the internet, and I want to check if this API able to recognize the image or not. Just by click deploy. Look, James, what's happened here? Just show me the image ID and the topic. I add any topic, doesn't matter. The payload, show me the top, left, width, height, and then show me here the site details array object, which include face ID and face rectangle, which include top, also left, width, or height. Do you think this way if I carry on with this way, can achieve face recognition bit easily than what Aldo suggests, or should I move and concentrate about about what Aldo has been mentioned about the software that called OpenFace and then included to the Cloudian and this kind of stuff? And my question now is, do you have any information about this API, and do you advise me to go ahead with it? And I'm looking to hear any advice from you, James, because at this stage I'm really confusing which API I use, because I'm looking for the software that Aldo suggests. It's sort of complicated because have to include it and run it on the Bluemix, and I don't know if I run it on the Bluemix, should I use it with Node-RED or not. I seen this API, which is belong to Microsoft. It's able to work on it from the Node-RED, which is more easier. That is what my idea, and I hope to hear feedback from you, James. Thank you very much.